In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello board for beginners. Let's get you from a blank screen to a brand new board in just a few clicks. Once you're on Trello, look toward the top of the page for the Create button. Give that a click to open the Setup panel for your new board. This panel is where you'll make a few simple choices that set the tone for how your board looks and who can see it. First, pick a background. Trello offers solid colors and photos. Colors keep things clean and high contrast, which can be easier on the eyes for everyday use. Photos add personality and can help you quickly recognize the board at a glance. If you're collaborating with others, try choosing a background that's distinct from your other boards so it's easier to spot in the sidebar. Next, enter your board title. Keep it clear and specific so you and your teammates instantly know what the board is for. A practical naming approach might include the project name and timeframe, like Marketing Launch Q3, or the team and function, such as design requests. You can always change the title later, but starting with a thoughtful name saves time and confusion. Now choose your visibility. You'll see options for workspace, private, or public. Private means only people you invite can access the board. This is a safe starting point for most individuals and small teams. Workspace visibility lets anyone in your Trello workspace find and open the board, which is handy if you want broader internal transparency without sharing links every time. Public makes the board visible to anyone on the internet. Use public only when you're comfortable with complete openness, and be mindful not to include sensitive information. With your background, title, and visibility set, click Create to generate your board. That's it. The board is live and ready for your workflow. If you prefer a jumpstart, you can also begin with a template. From the same creation area, choose Template to browse Trello's ready-made layouts. Templates are organized around common workflows like project management, content calendars, or personal planning. Select a template that closely matches your needs so you spend less time rearranging later. You can preview its structure to see the lists and example cards you'll get. When you found the one you want, click Create to spin up your board with that template structure already in place. And there you go. Whether you built from scratch or started with a template, you now have a Trello board tailored to your needs with the right look and the right visibility from the start.